Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Minggu 10 April. Pada malam hari, rudal berbasis laut presisi tinggi menghancurkan markas dan pangkalan Batalion Nasionalis Dnieper di Zvonetsko, wilayah Dnepropetrovsk, tempat tentara bayaran asing baru saja tiba, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Majen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi di dekat Starobogdanovka di wilayah Nikolaev dan di lapangan terbang militer Chuhuev menghancurkan peluncur sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 Ukraina yang ditemukan oleh pengintaian. Pertahanan udara Rusia juga menembak jatuh 8 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di udara dekat Olkovatovka, Novaya Astrakhan, Avdiivka, Sahtersko, Kurahovo, Novoselovka Vetoraya dan Viseloye. Sementara penerbangan operasional taktis menghantam 86 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 2 pos komando, 2 depot amunisi, 3 depot bahan bakar, 3 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, dan 49 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi peralatan militer Ukraina. Secara total, 127 pesawat tempur dan 98 helikopter, 234 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300, Buk M1, OSA AKM 436 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 2052 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 232 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 894 lapangan artileri dan mortir, serta 1.975 unit kendaraan militer khusus Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Majen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. During the night, high-precision sea-based missiles destroyed the headquarters and base of Dnieper Nationalist Battalion in Zvonetskaya, Dnepropetrovsk region, where foreign mercenaries had recently arrived. High-precision air-based missiles near Starobogdanovka in Nikolaev region and at Chuguev military airfield destroyed launchers of the Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile systems discovered by reconnaissance. Russian air defense means shot down 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the air near Olkovatovka, Novaya Astrakhan, Avdiivka, Shakhterskaya, Kurahovo, Novoselovka II and Veselaya. Operational tactical aviation hit 86 military assets of Ukraine, among them 2 command posts, 2 ammunition depots, 3 fuel depots, 3 multiple launch rocket systems, and 49 strong points and areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. In total, 127 aircraft and 98 helicopters, 234 anti-aircraft missile systems, namely S-300, Buk M1 and OSA AKM, 436 unmanned aerial vehicles, 2,052 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 232 multiple launch rocket systems, 894 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,975 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!